Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a GMC Yukon tail light. First, let's gather our tools and ensure safety. You will typically need a T15 Torx driver and a trim removal tool. Always make sure your vehicle is off and parked securely. Having the correct replacement bulb on hand is crucial before you begin the process. Now, let's get to the tail light itself. Begin by opening your vehicle's liftgate. You might find a small plastic close-out cover that needs to be carefully removed, often with a trim tool. Next, locate and remove the two screws, typically T15 Torx, securing the tail light assembly. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire assembly straight back from the vehicle. With the tail light assembly removed, it's time to replace the bulb. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Then, simply pull the old bulb straight out. Take your new bulb and carefully press it into the socket. Finally, reinsert the socket into the tail light assembly and twist it clockwise until it locks firmly into place. You're almost done. Carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into the vehicle. Reinstall the two T15 Torx screws, tightening them securely but without over-torquing. If you removed any plastic covers, snap them back into position. Finally, turn on your vehicle's lights and check all tail light functions to confirm your new bulb is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.